Good morning, everybody. Welcome to online teaching learning process. Hope you all are safe. I am Ranjini Nair, handling physics. Our first chapter is forces in fluids. Before going to the topic, we should know what is fluid and what is force. Let us first talk about fluid. What is fluid? A fluid is a substance which is continuously deform or flow. What is fluid? A fluid is a substance which is continuously deform or flow. We normally recognize three states of substances: solid, liquid, and gas. Now, what are solids? Solids are those in which molecules are closely packed and have definite shape and have definite volume. In the case of liquid, molecules are loosely packed and have no definite shape, but it takes the shape of the container and have definite volume. In gas, molecules are very far from each other and have no definite shape and have no definite volume. From this, it is clear that most of the characteristics of liquid and gas are same and both are called fluids. Liquid is a fluid, gas is a fluid because both have almost common characteristics. Now let us talk about forces. What is force? We can say anything that causes push and pull is a force, or anything that causes motion or stops motion, or anything that deforms an object is a force. Let me take few examples. I had a ball. If I dropped it, what will happen? It will fall to the ground. Why is that? It is because of the force of gravity. Similarly, if I dropped this ball into a bucket which is filled with water, what will happen? The ball floats over the surface of the water. In the second case, now I am taking a tightly closed empty plastic bottle and I dropped it into a bucket. What will happen? The bottle floats. Now, using my hand, I am trying to immerse the plastic bottle to the bottom of the bucket and just take off my hand from the bottle after it has been immersed into the water. What do we observe? The plastic bottle rises up to the surface. Why does it rises to the surface of the water? It is because water exerts an upward force on it. So we found that a liquid exerts an upward force on a body placed on it. This force is known as buoyancy force. It is exerted not only by liquids but also by gases. So, what is buoyancy force? When a body is immersed completely or partially in a fluid, the fluid exerts an upward force on the body. This force is known as buoyancy force. Now, dear students, you have to write the definitions of force, fluid, and buoyancy force in your physics notebook. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.